don't be an empath pearl, people, because pathological narcissists, these emotionally immature people, they like to dump their trauma onto others. They like to use others as an emotional dumping ground. And they do this because, well, they cannot regulate their own emotions. They have arrested development. And this is arrested development at the psycho-spiritual level. So know that at the psychological level, if these people have a personality disorder, then they have a compromise at their level of mind, will, and emotions. So at the level of the emotions, then, again, they have arrested development. They are missing elements. They do not have the same capacity as you to regulate their own emotions. And this is why they are rooted in shame and unable to move past their pride. And, pride comes right before the fall. They fall right back down to shame. That is arrested development. They are stuck in a low mood state. Keyword stuck in a low mood state. And this is why this is a pathology. Because a pathology is the study of diseases or disorders. It is telling you that something is abnormal. And at an emotional level, well, pathological narcissists are stuck in an abnormally low state. And this is why they have to dump on you. Because what is inside will eventually come outside. If you squeeze an orange, you'll get orange juice. If you squeeze a grape, you'll get grape juice. And if you squeeze a pathological narcissist, what you're going to get is what is inside. And what is inside is a whole bunch of darkness, chaos, abuse, insecurity, shame, lies, and connivery. That is what you will get from someone that is stuck at the bottom of the consciousness ladder. That is what you were dealing with. That is the pathology. That is why you cannot grow with pathologically narcissistic personality types. They are done growing. They're done growing. They have arrested development. And understand again that this personality has a type of rigid perfectionism. Again, it is rigid pride, unbending pride, unchanging, dysfunctional pride, which means that they believe that they're perfect. So perfect people do not need to change. And this is why perfect people create scapegoats. Perfect people create people to dump their stuff on. And this is why oftentimes on the channel, people, I tell you, be an scapegoat. Escape. Walk away. Because scapegoats are food for abusive people. And if you are a scapegoat, people, the very unfortunate reality is that you are en route to be curried goat. You are en route to be curried goat, people, with a side of white rice. And, they very well may wash you down with some red stripe beer. You are food to be consumed. And this is why you must get the courage to walk away, the courage to get healing, proper professional healing. Again, depending on what is happening with you, people. Get professional help, seek professional help. So I do one-on-one coaching, and I also have a group mentorship program. There's also the NARC 101 course, right? There is also the Ascension Vault, where you can get ad-free access to the videos here on the channel, right? And you'll get them before the public sees them. And you'll also get Vault-only access to the content that you're seeing. So get the help that you need, especially if you need professional help. But again, if you are dealing with a pathological narcissist, these emotionally insecure, emotionally immature personality types must dump on you. So do not be an empath pearl. Be an awakened empath, people. Get the courage to ascend. Get the courage to walk away. Do not be an empath pearl. Regulars, supers, and super pluses. Walk away. Get the courage to ascend. Thank you, good people, for your continued support. Ensure that you're liking these videos. Ensure that you are subscribed. If you have any questions or feedback, go ahead and leave that down below in the comment section. Sheik is the name. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.